What's going on, guys? It's Justin here with Summit Racing, and we stopped over at the Power Automedia booth to see the really cool engine build they got going on, and we're here with Greg, and he's going to tell you guys all about it. So what's going on, Greg? How's your show going so far?
It's been going amazing so far. I mean, this is a Thursday unlike any Thursday I've seen in a long time.
Yeah, and that's what's the cool part about our industry is shows like this, that, you know, this is all like-minded people. Like, we're all into race car parts, and it's a building full of race car parts.
Absolutely. And I mean, that's why we want to build this here, right? I mean, we're putting together a 1,000 horsepower twin-turbo Godzilla engine on the show floor. We've got LME here assembling it for us, you know, doing all the heavy lifting. And we're going to put 2 turbos on it, and we're going to make 1,000 horsepower.
This is Ford's biggest motor in their lineup, and you know, there is no replacement for displacement.
That is true.
And then when you start shoving air in it, it's just going to be a party. So, So one of you guys that are watching right now, this could very well end up in your car. Now, you want to tell the folks how they can enter?
Yeah, just go to enginelabsgiveaway.com. Last year's winner registered 3 hours before the close.
See, and you can't beat that. That's why everybody's got a fair shot, and I'm sure whoever wins this and whatever they shove it in, it's going to be epic.
Oh, it's going to go fast.
Oh, yes. It's, you know, big horsepower, and that's what we love. So thanks again, Greg, for taking the time to show us what you guys got going on here. And, you know, I might have to enter and see if I can win. We'll see.
Why not? Rock
exactly. On. So we'll see you guys later. We're going to keep walking around the show and see what we can get into.